Class 3, Chapter 11, Meera Bahan और बाक. Chapter 11, Meera Bahan और बाक. So this is the story of Meera Bahan and a tiger. Bak means tiger. Who is Meera Bahan? In this picture, you can see her walking alongside Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. So Meera Bahan was a close associate of Gandhi ji. मीरा बहन का जन्म इंग्लैंड में हुआ था. मीरा बहन वॉज बॉर्न इन इंग्लैंड. जन्म मीन्स बर्थ. गांधी जी के विचारों का उन पर इतना असर हुआ कि वे अपना घर और अपने माता पिता को छोड़कर भारत आ गई. सो हाउ डिड ए लेडी फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड एंड अप इन इंडिया? शी वॉज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द टीचिंग्स ऑफ गांधी जी. सो शी केम ओवर टू इंडिया, लीविंग हर home and her parents behind. Asar means effect. Vichar means thought. Vicharom, thoughts. So the thoughts of Gandhiji or the teachings or ideals of Gandhiji had such an effect on Meera Bahan that she left her home and came to India. Then what did she do? Gandhiji ke saath kaam karne lagi. She started working with Gandhiji. Kaam karna means to work. आज़ादी के 5 साल बाद उन्होंने उत्तर प्रदेश के एक पहाड़ी गांव गेवली में कोबाल आश्रम की स्थापना की. आज़ादी मीन्स इंडिपेंडेंस. 5 साल बाद मीन्स आफ्टर 5 years. So 5 years after India got independence, what did she do? She established an ashram. स्थापना करना means to establish. Where did she start that ashram? उत्तर प्रदेश के एक पहाड़ी गांव. इन ए विलेज इन उत्तर प्रदेश. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ विलेज? पहाड़ी गांव. पहाड़ी मीन्स माउंटेनस और हिली. द विलेज हैड सो मेनी माउंटेन्स और हिल्स. द नेम ऑफ द विलेज वॉज गेवली. सो शी स्टार्टेड एन आश्रम देयर. उस आश्रम में मीरा बहन का बहुत सारा समय पालतू पशुओं की देखभाल में बीतता था. So Meera Bahan spent a lot of time looking after domestic or animals or pets. Paltu pashu. Dekhbhal means care. Beetna means to spend. So Meera Bahan spent a lot of time caring for the animals in the ashram. लेकिन गेवली गांव के आसपास के जंगलों में बाघ जैसे खतरनाक जानवर भी रहते थे. But there were so many forests around the ashram. And in those forests lived so many dangerous animals. Khatarnak means dangerous. Janwar, animal. There lived so many dangerous animals like tiger in those forests. पहाड़ी गांवों में अक्सर बाघ का डर बना रहता है. Game Valley is a mountainous village and it is surrounded by forest. So villages like Game Valley are often under the threat of wild animals, especially tiger. जंगल कटने के कारण शिकार की तलाश में बाघ कभी-कभी गांव तक पहुंच जाता है. So why do wild animals or tiger come into villages? Because people have cut down forest. जंगल काटना means to cut down forest. And the tiger cannot find enough prey or food. Shikar means prey in the forest. So they come down to villages in search of animals like goat or sheep or cow. Game Valley गांव में एक बार यही हुआ. So the same thing happened in Game Valley once. एक बाघ ने गांव में घुसकर एक गाय को मार डाला. A tiger entered the village. घुसना means to enter and killed a cow. गाय is cow. मार डाला means killed. सुबह होते ही यह खबर पूरे गांव में फैल गई. So by the time it was morning, सुबह is morning, the news spread everywhere. खबर is news. फैलना means to spread. गांव के लोग डरे कि यह बाघ कहीं फिर से आकर दूसरे पालतू जानवरों और किसी आदमी को ही अपना शिकार ना बना ले. So the villagers, they were scared. Why? Because they knew the tiger could come again, and this time it could kill other domesticated animals or even a villager, a person. आदमी means a person. गांव के लोग गोपाल आश्रम गए और उन लोगों ने मीरा बहन को अपनी चिंता बताई. So the people of the village, they went to the ashram and they shared their concern. Chinda means concern or worry. They shared their worries with मीरा बहन. गांव के लोगों ने अंत में तय किया कि बाघ को कैद कर लिया जाए. तय करना means to decide. So the people, they together came to a decision. What was the decision? To capture the tiger. कैद करना means to capture. उसे कैद करने के लिए उन्होंने एक पिंजरा बनाया. So to capture the tiger, they made a पिंजरा or a cage. Banana means to make. पिंजरे के अंदर एक बकरी बांधी. बांधना means to tie. बांधी, tied. Bakari is a goat. A goat was tied inside the cage. योजना यह थी कि बकरी का मिमियाना सुनकर बाघ पिंजरे की तरफ आएगा. योजना means plan. So what was the plan? Hearing the bleating of the goat, the sound that a goat makes, it is called mimiana or bleating. Hearing this, the tiger will come towards the cage. तरफ means towards. पिंजरे का दरवाज़ा इस प्रकार खुला हुआ बनाया गया था कि बाघ के अंदर घुसते ही वह दरवाज़ा झटके से बंद हो जाए. So you know how a trap works. The door, darwaza means door. The door of the trap was built in such a way that when the tiger enters the cage, ghusna means to enter. When the tiger enters the cage, the door will be shut close. शाम होने तक पिंजरे को ऐसी जगह पर रख दिया गया जहां बाघ अक्सर दिखाई देता था. शाम is evening. जगह is place. रखना means to keep. रख दिया means kept. दिखाई देना means be seen. So the villagers, after making the cage and after tying the goat inside, they kept the cage in such a place where the tiger was often seen. अक्सर means often. यह जगह मीरा बहन के गोपाल आश्रम से ज़्यादा दूर नहीं थी. So this place where the villagers kept the cage was not very far from Gopal Ashram. ज़्यादा दूर नहीं थी. ज़्यादा means much. It wasn't much far from the ashram. रात बीती means the night got over. The night passed. सुबह की रोशनी होते ही लोग पिंजरा देखने निकल पड़े. So when they saw the morning light or when they saw the sun coming up, the villagers, they rushed to the cage. They wanted to see whether their plan has worked. उन्होंने दूर से देखा कि पिंजरे का दरवाज़ा बंद है. So they could see from a distance that the door is closed, which means a tiger must have walked inside. वे यह सोचकर बहुत खुश हुए कि बाघ ज़रूर पिंजरे में फंस गया होगा. So the villagers were sure that because the door is closed, the tiger must have been trapped inside. लेकिन जब वे पिंजरे के पास पहुँचे तो क्या देखते हैं? But what did the villagers see when they reached near the cage? पिंजरे में बाघ नहीं था. There was no tiger inside the cage. लोग चकित थे. चकित means confused or baffled. Why were the villagers baffled? Because बाघ के अंदर गए बिना पिंजरा बंद कैसे हो गया? Because they could not find an answer to their question how the door closed without a tiger walking inside. लोग मीरा बहन के पास पहुँचे. So they went to the ashram. They went to meet मीरा बहन. लोगों ने सोचा कि गोपाल आश्रम पास में ही था, इसलिए शायद मीरा बहन को मालूम हो कि रात में क्या हुआ. The cage was placed near the ashram. So the villagers thought, perhaps, shayad means perhaps. Perhaps Meera Bahan could tell them what happened in the night. पूछने पर मीरा बहन बोली. When she was asked about this, she said, देखो भाई, look brother, मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही थी. Look brother, I could not sleep. नींद means sleep. मैं सोचती रही कि आखिर बाघ को धोखा देकर हम क्यों फंसाए. So she was thinking, आखिर means after all. धोखा देना means to cheat. So she was thinking, after all, why should we cheat the tiger and trap it? So we saw in the beginning that Mirabai, she was a follower of Meera Bahan, she was a follower of Mahatma Gandhiji. So non-violence or ahimsa was one of the teachings of Gandhiji. Ahimsa means showing love and compassion to all living beings. So Meera Bahan, she could not bring herself to understand why the tiger should be hurt or trapped. So what did she do? इसलिए मैं गई और पिंजरे का दरवाज़ा बंद कराई. So she went to the trap and she closed the door. So the tiger was not hurt. The tiger was not trapped.